Hannah here from Plenty of Sunshine Travel. Today I am on Explora Journeys and I am touring a whole bunch of different room categories. So I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so that you can see all of these room categories that we're going to be looking through. The first one I'm going to be showing you is an ocean residence suite. And as soon as I walked in, I just kept going, oh, that's so beautiful. And it's amazing and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So this room is 9001. This room is a connecting suite and it connects to an ocean terrace suite. So I'm going to show you that, but I really want to do a walkthrough so that you can see all of the great amenities on this particular room, because honestly, you're going to want to stay here. So as soon as you walk in, you end up just being able to look around and say, oh, it's so big, where do I go first? So I think we're going to head this direction here. Now if I walk through from the doorway, this is the powder room. So this is the room that you're going to have where you're going to be hanging all of your things up. You're going to have your beautiful, beautiful frette robes, and these are just stunning. You've got a little makeup mirror here that is illuminated. And then here you've got your drawer that pulls out. And this is really handy for some jewelry, small things that you want to keep track of. And you can always see it with this being glass. So you've got tons of drawers here, lots of good space. This is your laundry bag if you decide to send it off for laundry service. There is complimentary self-serve laundry service, but if you'd like them to do it for you, the bag is there. And of course, don't forget that you always have slippers as well. So we're moving along, and this here is the gorgeous marble bathroom. And we have a full-size shower. Whoa, look at that rain head with a beautiful rain head. And you've got this on the wand so that you can, I almost fell stepping in, so that you can wash your feet as well. So that's there. You've got this grab bar and you can sit down and shave your legs on that nice stool. And then you've got your water pressures here, your hot and your cold and your pressure. And of course, you're gonna have your Mandela Blue. So you've got your conditioner, your shampoo right here, and your hand and body soap. And this scent was specially formulated just for Explora Journeys. So it's not something you're gonna get anywhere else. And I will tell you that it has made my hair so incredibly soft. I love that one. You have a little wastebasket down there. You've got your duvet, of course your regular toilet, a very nice deep soaking tub. I really love the deepness of this tub, and it's what you need when you're on a ship because the ship moves and things could splish. You've got another one of these here. Your hot, cold, and your pressure. Your tub fills up with that. And a little spot to just, lay maybe a book there, and of course a bath mat. Some spots here to hold your toiletries. And don't forget, you can always reach out to me at info@plentyofsunshinetravel.com and we will get you on board. We are your experts. Here at Plenty of Sunshine Travel, we are definitely your experts and we know Explora Journeys. Here you've got your hand soap, your body lotion, and shower caps. And of course you've got your regular bar soap. And you've got your vanity kit, and this is cotton buds. And cotton buds there as well. Back in my room I have cotton balls. Oh, they're in here. So there you are, they're beautifully right there. And this gorgeous stoneware. And then right there as well, you've got spots to hang some things. Not hang, I'm sorry, to put some of your toiletries. This here is just amazing. All of Explora Journeys rooms have heated washroom floors. So you set your level, you turn it on, off, and your floor heats up so quick. It's just phenomenal. So it's right there, as hot or as, minimum or maximum, whatever you want, and just push it on. Here you've got your outlets. You have a USB A and C, and of course your towels. Oh, there's a bathroom scale down there. Probably wouldn't really want that on a cruise because the food has been so delicious, but it's there for you. So as I exit out of the washroom, you will find a full-length mirror right here. And then you're going to move on into the bedroom. And look at that natural light. Wow. And this is a huge bedroom here. And don't forget, this is an ocean residence suite. So we've got some books. a very large TV. And then you've got some artwork. Oh, and it lights up the second you open it. So here we are. We've got some spots to put your luggage, to put anything you need right here. And that's right there. Oh, I think I closed it the wrong way. Perfect. And then you've got this window right here. And as you can see right there, you can see out. You're right at the end of the ship. Beautiful makeup mirror here. And you've got a pair of binoculars to use on board. And this is just so gorgeous. They want you to explore, so these are for complimentary for use on board. Your TV. Your king size bed is right here. Beside the king size bed, once again, you've got one outlet and you've got your USB-A, your USB-C. Once you're in bed, you can turn all your lights off right from there. You don't need to get out of bed at all. On the other side, you have the exact same thing and with a reading light as well. And then you've got a gorgeous light right up top there. More artwork. And then we're going to be moving right along. Oh, and you have this door right here that you can pull for your privacy at night. So it just closes it right off. So we're going to move right along. And here is your second washroom in here. So here we have, again, those wonderful soaps that are formulated just for Explora Journeys. You've got your sink, and you got your toilet. So it's a wonderful half bath right there, right in front of the door, because there's the door that we came in. So moving along, right here, look at the size of this living room. Oh my goodness. So you've got this whole full-length bar right here. And this whole full-length bar comes with these two bottles. You will always get these bottles on Explora Journeys. There are no single-use plastics, so these are for use on board and for you to take home. You've got a bunch of different coffees, from bold roast, decaffeinated to regular coffees, a bunch of different teas, your small cups, and your regular size. Cute little pot there. You can make a little spot to tea. When you're welcome on board, you're going to be getting a Dom Pérignon Vintage 2013 as your welcome. Look at that coffee maker. Ooh. You won't need to go up to Crema Cafe for that. You've got all your gorgeous glassware, your barware, and some nice knickknacks there. Now these are for use on board. These are glass, and your host is going to be filling those up for you constantly. You also have your ice and a kettle for use on board. And below here we have your fridge, and your fridge is always going to be stocked. They come with this. You will tell your suite attendant when you arrive what your preferences are, and they'll ensure that you have it the whole time. They'll keep it stocked up for you. So you've got some storage underneath right here, and another full-length drawer. And here you have more things to hold your bar service so it doesn't slide around, which is quite handy. And we'll come over on this way. Again, you've got way more storage. And look at that. My goodness. Amazing amounts of storage here. It is stunning. Wow. And then you're going to follow along, and you've got this whole couch right here, this nice, beautiful sitting area. Look at that, and you've got that nice natural light coming right in. And there as well. This is an amazing work desk. I know many of us, including myself, work when we're at sea, so you've got the spot right here for you. Now, one of the great things with Explora Journeys and these bigger suites has room for it. You can always get it, but the bigger suites come with it automatically. These are the Techno Gym right here, and they have on-demand classes, and you can elevate your fitness journey in the comfort of your own suite, which is just fabulous. So they come with a whole bunch of different programs and different things to do. So you can see right here, just follow along in the book. of all different things that you can do with that techno gym over there. So this is a great workspace area to sit and enjoy and just do a little bit of work. But I mean, you've got that view, so is it really work? And then a gorgeous table. This complimentary in-suite dining for all suites. So you could really enjoy this table and sit down and just be able to have a wonderful dinner. We've got some games that are here. If I can open it. Nope, can't do with one hand, apologies. But this is a board game packet that you have there. And you can enjoy playing a whole bunch of games. Now I'm just going to finish up by walking out onto the terrace. So we're going to just unlock this and pull it. Today we're at sea, so it might make a little bit of noise out here. I'm just going to raise my voice. So again, we've got a really nice sitting area. You can also pull into port as you're sitting there enjoying breakfast. You've got your own soaking hot tub here. Wow. And room there as well to sit and enjoy and just take in those views. Now this room is a connecting suite. I'm going to come back inside where it's going to be a little bit quieter. So this room is a connecting suite, and I'm going to go and show you that room next. But the way to access it is just right through this door. You will see. And I'm going to show you that one after. I'm going to go into that one next. But it does connect. So it's perfect when you're traveling with children. So you can have this whole area as your home base and yet have another room for the kids to sleep in. So that is amazing. So I just wanted to show you this room. It is 9001 and it's one of the Ocean Terrace. No, I'm sorry, one of the resident suites.